to create resin dining tables with a minimalist design that exudes sophistication while ensuring durability for family gatherings and everyday use. DIY enthusiasts must embrace an approach rooted in precision and intentionality. Minimalism at its heart is about creating harmony and balance, a philosophy perfectly suited to resin dining tables that act as both practical furniture and stunning focal point. By skillfully integrating design and functionality, you can craft a masterpiece that speaks volumes without saying a word. Starts with the design. A minimalist resin dining table thrives on clean lines, a subdued color palette, and an uncluttered aesthetic that whispers elegance. Opt for resin shades that evoke calm and clarity, such as a crystal clear pour or soft hues of white, gray, or muted pastels. These choices echo the principles of restraint and order, ideal for a dining space meant to nurture connection and conversation. Pair the resin with a natural wood slab that embodies subtle beauty. Maple, birch, or ash are excellent choices. Their gentle grain patterns harmonize with the resin, creating an understated yet striking visual effect that resonates with the ethos of simplicity. To ensure durability, your material selection must be impeccable. Hardwood species like oak or walnut bring strength and resilience to the table literally. These woods are known for their ability to endure daily wear and tear while aging gracefully, a nod to the timeless nature of minimalism. Field-dried wood is non-negotiable as it reduces the risk of warping or cracking, ensuring your table remains a reliable centerpiece for years to come. Carefully sand a slab until it feels like satin under your fingertips, eliminating imperfections that might detract from the seamless resin application. Pay special attention to the edges. Straight or subtle rounded edges underscore the clean geometry of minimalism, while live edges, though visually appealing, can lean toward a rustic aesthetic that contrasts with the minimalist theme. The resin itself is your co-creator in this journey, serving both an aesthetic and protective purpose. High-quality UV-resistant epoxy resin is essential to safeguard a table surface from yellowing over time, particularly if the table is positioned in a sunlight space. Scratch and heat resistance are equally important. Dining tables endure hot dishes, spilled drinks, and endless family dinners. Look for resin brands that combine durability with clarity, ensuring the beauty of your table is matched by its resilience. Achieving a perfect resin pour demands meticulous adherence to the manufacturer's instructions. The resin to hardener ratio isn't just a guideline, it's a pact you make to uphold the integrity of your work. For a minimalist masterpiece, a single transparent layer or a subtle tint can amplify the wood's natural beauty without overshadowing it. Durability extends beyond materials to the structural integrity of the table. Embedding steel or fiberglass rods within the resin or beneath the wood slab ensures the table remains steadfast even when accommodating large gatherings. For a minimalist aesthetic, these reinforcements must be invisible, acquire strength that supports without drawing attention. Conceal the rods beneath the surface, ensuring they enhance the table's stability without compromising its visual serenity. Crafting the mold is a pivotal step in creating a resin table that embodies minimalist ideals. Use precise materials like melamine or HDPE sheet to construct a mold with flawless edges and surfaces. Seal every seam meticulously with silicone to prevent resin leaks, as even minor imperfections can disrupt the table's clean, crisp lines. Position the wood slab with care, ensuring consistent spacing for the resin to flow. Clamping the wood securely is not just about practicality, it's about respecting the harmony of the design. Every element must work together seamlessly, reflecting the minimalist principles that less is more, but only when executed to perfection. Once the resin has cured, the finishing process transforms the table into a tactile and visual delight. Begin sanding with coarse grades to even out the surface, gradually progressing to final grade to achieve a flawless texture. Wet sanding elevates the finish, removing microscopic scratches or enhancing the resin transparency. For the final touch, choose between polished mirror-like finish that gleams with modernity or a matte finish that whispers understated elegance. Both options under the minimalist vision. The choice depends on the ambience you wish to create in the dining space. The table legs and base are as much a part of the design as the resin and wood. Sleek metal legs in geometric shapes, finished in black, white or metallic tones, exude modernity and simplicity. Powder coated steel or aluminum combines, strengthens with sophistication, ensuring the base complements the table surface without dominating it. Wooden legs, when designed with clean, unembellished lines, can seamlessly blend with the wood slab, reinforcing the cohesive narrative of minimalism. Stability is paramount, so ensure the legs are reinforced to handle the table's weight, embodying both form and function. In keeping with the minimalist ethos, assembly details should remain invisible. Use hidden bracket or joinery techniques to maintain an uninterrupted flow of design. Adjustable leg parts can add a subtle practicality, ensuring the table remains steady or uneven floors, an unobstructive nod to the reality of everyday use. Hardware choices should be robust yet discreet, embodying the quiet strength that defines minimalist furniture. Functionality is the cornerstone of any dining table, particularly one designed for family gatherings. Consider the table's dimensions carefully. Standard height of 30 inches provide comfortable seating, while a weight of 30 to 40 inches ensures ample space for dinners. Minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing practicality. It means designing with purpose. Features like built-in extensions or hidden support legs can make the table adaptable, seamlessly accommodating both intimate dinners and festive celebrations. Edge treatments offer another opportunity to harmonize aesthetic and practicality. A beveled or chamfered edge adds a touch of refinement while softening sharp corners, enhancing safety in homes with young children. A bullnose edge with its rounded profile echoes the smooth simplicity of minimalism while offering increased resistance to chipping. Prove that thoughtful design can solve real-world challenges without fanfare. The finishing touch lies in protecting your creation. While resin provides a durable surface, an additional UV-resistant top coat can shield against scratches and heat, extending the table's lifespan. For wood section, a clear moisture-resistant sealant like tank oil or Danish oil preserves the natural grain while reinforcing durability. These subtle layers of protection ensure your table retains its pristine appearance through the ebbs and flow of the daily life. Minimalism celebrates clarity and openness, qualities that can be enhanced through thoughtful placement and lighting. Position your resin dining table in an area with abundant natural light, allowing the interplay of resin and wood to take center stage. Complement the table with dining chairs that shares a design language, clean lines, neutral tones, and an emphasis on comfort. A pendant light with a geometric or understated design can anchor the space, creating a cohesive dining area that feels both functional and serene. For those seeking to infuse a touch of innovation into their minimalist designs, subtle enhancements can add depth without cluttering the aesthetic. Discreetly integrating charging ports offer modern functionality, catering to tech-savvy households. Thin LED strips placed along the underside of the table can cast a soft ambiance glow, transforming family dinners into memorable experiences without detracting from the table's clean lines. If you are new to resin projects, start small. Crafting a resin cafe table or side table allows you to hone your skills in mixing, pouring, and finishing while experimenting with minimalist design elements. These smaller projects serve as valuable stepping stones, building confidence and refining techniques before tackling the ground floor of a dining table. Ultimately, a minimalist resin dining table is a testament to the power of simplicity and intention. Every decision, from the choice of materials to the final polish, reflects a commitment to creating something enduring and beautiful. As a DIY enthusiast, your ability to balance aesthetics with functionality ensures your table will not only serve as a gathering place but also as a silent expression of timeless elegance. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. Tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.